I'm Jason.
And I'm Caesar.
And we're excited to be here today to talk to you about thread identification process. So let's find out exactly what we have here. So let's look at the book, and we find the O-ring boss looks very similar to this one right here. We'll take our cap gauge and screw it on to find out the threads of this end. This is the one that fits, and that tells us it's a 3/4 16th thread. Now looking back in the book, the 3/4 inch 16 thread matches up only with the -8 male boss. That tells you that this termination is an 8 male boss. So between the catalog, the plug and cap kit, or the thread ID kit, you can become an expert in thread identification. For more information or additional training, contact your Gates Hydraulics sales rep today.
Hello friends, my name is Lalit Ahuja. My company, Hydraulics and Pneumatics, part of Ahuja Group, is the authorized dealer for Gates hydraulic hoses. We have a state-of-the-art plant for manufacturing fittings and crimping hoses with Uniflex Germany machines, and every hose is tested before it is dispatched. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.